What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of these icy sharks. Now, if this weekend or next weekend, I'm hoping some point this thing will get used this year for 2025, which it will get used again this year because you can see how much expected this thing is, which I really hope some point you can see, but you can see how much expected this thing is, which this one you can see it was locked up, you can see, so I have to keep moving the motor a little bit to get it to nice and, I expected this thing, which I think it's because of water got inside, causing it, as you can see how much expected thing, which it will give you somewhere, but it's a ticket to worry, but this is gonna do like you can see by how much support. This one here is the other one you can see. Is how you can see because it still works on automatic, which is good. Which a lot of times you know how expected this thing exactly. You can see how much expected this machine exactly. Which it's gonna take a second to open the bag of it, which I know that because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. You see it, but I hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. Which it will get used at some point this year for either this weekend or next weekend if we get trying to go swimming in the pool this year because I expect this thing they will get used again this year because I promise that they both will get used this year for 2025 cycle, which it will. I mean, I'm hoping some of this thing will get used this year for 2025 cycle, but don't expect that the things that is getting used almost quite a bit because you see how much expected this thing is, which I know since the fact is going to get used again this year for 2025 cycle, which it will get used at some point this year because I mean, I'm hoping some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 cycle, which I promise that this thing will get used this year.